What do you call a group of these big cats?
A pride of lions. Lions live together like a big family.
We're learning about collective nouns, a special name for a group of things. And in this video, a group of animals. What do you call a group of giant elephants?
A herd of elephants. Baby elephants stay close to their moms.
How about a group of howling wolves?
A pack of wolves. Wolves hunt together as a team.
What do you call a group of jumping, swinging monkeys?
A troop of monkeys. Monkeys help each other to find food.
What's the name for a group of waddling penguins?
A colony of penguins. Penguins huddle together to stay warm.
What's the name for a group of birds flying together?
A flock of birds. Birds travel long distances.
How about a group of fish swimming together?
A school of fish. Fish move in patterns to stay safe.
Do you know the name for a group of leaping dolphins?
A pod of dolphins. Dolphins talk with clicks and whistles.
What do you call a group of busy, buzzing bees?
A swarm of bees. Bees work together to make honey.
What is the name for a group of fast-running deer?
A herd of deer. Deer run together to escape danger.
You're doing awesome! Ready for some super silly ones? Here we go! What do you call a group of hopping kangaroos?
A mob of kangaroos. Kangaroos bounce around together.
What do you call a group of heavy rhinos?
A crush of rhinos. Because rhinos can charge very fast.
What's the name for a group of pink flamingos?
A flamboyance of flamingos. Flamingos stand on one leg to keep warm.
Do you know what a group of hopping frogs is called?
An army of frogs. Frogs love staying near water.
What do you call a group of strong gorillas?
A band of gorillas. Gorillas protect each other.
What do you call a group of flying bats?
A cloud of bats. Bats are the only mammals that can truly fly.
What's the name for a group of big, furry bears?
A sleuth of bears. Bears do not urinate or defecate during hibernation.
What do you call a group of graceful swans?
A bevy of swans. Swans have the largest eggs of any flying bird.
What do you call a group of fluffy house cats?
A clouder of cats. Cats love cozy places.
You made it! Would you like one more crazy one?
A group of zebras is called a dazzle because they look like they're sparkling when they run.
Great work! More learning and fun discoveries are waiting for you in our other videos.